Hello everyone, my name is Virendra Shah and I am currently in fifth sem in third year pursuing integrated MCA from IITS DAV, and in this video we learn about data science and we go from basic to advanced in the data science. Now we have some topics that will be our roadmap. So the first topic is our basic of coding, Python, and the data preparation, exploratory data analysis, data preparation phase to model data, and so on. The basic to advanced 12 topics. So in these 12 videos, we all explore about the data science and from basic to advanced. So now, friends, we if we have to code in Python, we have a Google tool which provided by Google. Its name is Google Colab. We can write Python codes in it and we can run on it. It provides different libraries. So here it comes. So click on new notebook to create a file. It takes some time. It will be fine. Now we can here we can add a code. We can also add text if we want. We can add text like this, and we can also delete this from this delete button. So start coding. For testing it, we are testing Google Colab whether it can write a Python program and can run it or not. So we are testing Google Colab. So if we run this program on this button, we can run it. हम इससे रन कर सकते हैं. It takes some time. So here is our output. We are testing Google Colab. If we want to code again, just we can write it in it. These are the two outputs. We again simplify our coding. एक ही लाइन में दो एक बार में हम एक लाइन भी लिख सकते हैं और दो उसको मॉडिफाई भी कर सकते हैं उसी कोड को और यहाँ से रन कर सकते हैं. सो हियर इज़ द एग्जांपल. सो हम जितने भी आगे के वीडियोस होंगे हम उसमें गूगल कोलैब यूज़ करेंगे पाइथन के लिए. For here, it's the introduction of data science and how we apply Python in data science. And हम जितने भी कोड करेंगे वो सब हम गूगल कोलैब की मदद से करेंगे और डेटा साइंस सीखेंगे. Thank you for visiting my channel. Please like, share and comment on this video. How so? Thank you very much for visiting my channel.